Sujie Bike focused on the development of mountain bicycles, electric bicycle, electric tricycle and kids bike, production and sales. The company adhering to the focus on quality, lead the fashion. The core concept is committed to the promotion of high-quality riding sports products. Our company products currently covers mountain bike, electric bicycle, electric tricycle, kids bike, folding bike, city bike, carbon fiber and so on, of the category bicycle riding equipment. Exported country mainly is Europe and North America, and South America for 40 countries. We have professional sales workers, and can support customers' variety of high-quality products, fast delivery. Meanwhile, also we can provide OEM service, and can make the products according to customers' requirements, and our products are guaranteed, provide after sales. With a fine and rigorous attitude, to provide more quality riding sports products and services to all sectors of the community. Quality first, credit paramount, and sustainable development are our everlasting pursuit. Based on the principle of quality is everything, our company have high quality control system. All the products will be inspected strictly before shipping. So we have received good reviews and feedback and have signed long-term cooperation agreements with many customers, with all the staff sincerely welcome new and old customer at home and abroad to visit us.